इस समय देख रहे हैं कि बहुत सारे बच्चों को ये प्रॉब्लम है कि वो डिसाइड नहीं कर पा रहे हैं कि कौन सा लैंग्वेज मुझे पढ़नी चाहिए, और वो इसके चक्कर में कोई भी लैंग्वेज प्रॉपरली नहीं पढ़ पा रहे हैं। तो उनके लिए मेरा एक सजेशन है कि आप फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आइडेंटिफाई करो कि आपके पास कितना टाइम है, आप कितना टाइम स्पेंड कर सकते हो किसी लैंग्वेज को पढ़ने के लिए। ठीक है, उसके बाद ही आप डिसीजन लो कि आपको किस लैंग्वेज को पढ़नी चाहिए या नहीं पढ़नी चाहिए। आपके पास मार्केट में बहुत सारे लैंग्वेज अवेलेबल हैं, लेकिन सभी लैंग्वेज आप पढ़ नहीं सकते। सो ऑलमोस्टली वे लैंग्वेज आप पढ़ो जो एक दूसरे पे डिपेंडेंट है, और फाइनली जो आपका टारगेटेड लैंग्वेज है उसको फुलफिल करे। ठीक है, कोई भी लैंग्वेज यूं ही पढ़ने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। जैसे मार्केट में अभी जावा और पाइथन, सो कुछ बच्चे कंफ्यूज है कि हम जावा पढ़ें या पाइथन पढ़ें। तो आप जावा भी पढ़ सकते हो और पाइथन भी पढ़ सकते हो, इट्स योर चॉइस, बोथ आर सेम। तो अगर आप जावा पढ़ना चाहते हो तो जावा में ओनली डिफरेंस इज लाइक you have to give some more time, and you have to do lots of the practice and lots of the things you have to remember, and you have a little bit idea about the C language. Then only you can go with the Java. If you are going through the Python, then no need to learn any other language. You just start with Python and you can do it the work. It's a simple and it's a easy also. But in futures, uh, if you thought about futures, then I suggest to go with the Java. If you think about the Python also, Python is also fine. Not I'm not saying it's not good, it's also good, but make sure you have to take those language which is very important today also and in future also. So both languages are good. You just need to take the decisions like which language I have to prefer, and which language is more comfortable for me. So it's a comfortable, you decide only based on the quality and based on the syntax, based on the your understanding. You have to spend some time research on that, and then you can decide like which is the best and which is not best for you. Because every people's having our own mindset, so everyone take decisions our own based on our idea. So I can't say like you can go with the Java or you can go with the Python. It's your choice, and just take any language, whatever you feel like, yeah, this one is the best for me, go with this. No problems, you can go with any language. It's your own choice and your own interest also. Okay, I hope you understood. And don't compare one language with others, because every language having our own demand. Every language is important. You can say .NET, you can say Python, you can say PHP, you can say Java. Everyone is a demanding in the market based on the our requirement, based on our project. Just you have to understood which one I understood better way, and which one syntax is better for me. That's it, nothing else. You just have to go through the any language, it's a fine. But if you are new, I suggest go with the Java, or first learn C. Yeah, C++. You can learn C, otherwise C++, and then you can start DSA, yeah, Java. Then it should be fine, and you can go with one track and you can achieve whatever you want. DSA is most important. Okay, I hope you understood. If you go with the Python given all those library, everything, you don't need to write anything. So first learn DSA. So because of this, he given inbuilt it, so you understood internally work of this in Python or Java, anything. Okay, I hope you understood.